This one is gonna be fun.
Oh.
So confused. What?
Sharon. Mommy, look, I got another jacket. Yay!
Oh yeah! Electrical tape.
You might wanna get.
Ah, he opened it.
I didn't open it yet.
You might wanna get
He's
scissors.
trying to.
No, Shay, don't cheat.
Oh my
You might damage something, Shay.
No, she's not. Yeah.
Holy crap! I told you, be ready for repercussions.
Shay, give me the tape. I'll hold one side tape. And then you...
Oh, don't tell me that's one continuous, is it?
Of course it is.
Oh, that is craftsman right there. That is craftsman right
I
there.
didn't know you could take it off like that.
You're so stupid.
I knew that.
So far, it's one.
Well, it is one.
Yes, it's one.
Oh, he's watching you, that's why. John probably can open his fast. You didn't do it like that.
It's a good one.
That is awesome. It's still going.
Wow, I didn't know electrical tape could do that.
Ah, that's a good one. What did you do?
I had the kind of the medical tape.
Oh yeah, medical tape is good though.
Oh, good job, Shay.
Oh, there, it's still going.
Because now it's the box.
We're seeing a different color.
But it's ripping the whole front side of the box off. She's gonna see what it is. It's a mystery.
Well, I'll tell you what, the box is of no importance.
Oh.
That was the end of it.
Probably inside there's something else wrapped up in another roll of electrical tape.
Hurry up, Cher.
Christmas gonna be over, New Year's coming already.
I didn't know she was gonna be able to do that.
Well, I was the one that said home. But this is the funny.
Look underneath.
Duct tape for all that.
Karen, look underneath. Oh shit, that's what I forgot. Eric came up with the other iron. I forgot presents. Oh god.
Let's sing a song.
So far, my camera says it's been 2 minutes 45 seconds. We're coming up to 3 minutes, and we're still going.
Just rip it, Shay.
Oh, that was the end of spaghetti.
And it continues still. I thought it was next year.
Shay?
Yeah. Eric's gonna always outdo you, trust me, lady.
Was it Eric or was it you?
I don't know.
That was...
I had no part of it. I was
Mercedes.
hard sleeping.
Mercedes, what you did?
That was no, that was the kind, sweetie.
Mama
Sweetie.
did it to
doesn't
you.
like you, so.
Yeah, that's right. Sweetie would have done it. Maka would have been.
I would not wasted that much electrical tape. Christopher wanted to do that to somebody, but I said no.
But his mother said, sure.
Oh, Christopher wanted to wrap the big macadamia in that box.
Oh shit.
You open the box already. Can you get to the box?
Oh,
Shit, Christopher.
right there.
Can you get to the box?
We're seeing the
Probably open it up.
No, the sides are.
Oh yeah, I went around like that. I think. So long ago.
Thank you, Mercedes.
Mercedes, you bomb.
Yes, Mercedes. You buy everybody presents.
Buy the best gifts, and like I say, what did she get us? Nothing. We got nothing from Mercedes.
Mercedes
I
buy
think you
everybody
can open the
presents.
box with where your fingers are.
Oh, I was trying to do that. No.
Come on, hon, we're coming up to 5 minutes.
I have to really open it?
Rip the box. Well, then again, it's electrical tape, so.
No, there's nothing in there.
Thanks for saying
Oh, there's
this.
nothing in there.
That would be
When there's nothing in the box.
That would have been funny.
There's nothing in the package.
Mika, you should have wrapped it big like that.
Some people really
Why?
This is why.
It came out perfect for
Yeah.
I did a front then back. Front then back.
Front then back.
Why? I'm the alpha.